Many illiterate people are willing to learn. To be effective, however, a literacy program needs to be quick and easy with flexible timings and locations.
शौक है हमारा पढ़ने का, तो इसलिए हम पढ़ेंगे ज़रूर।
हम लोग का माँ बाप नहीं पढ़ाई।
हाँ, पढ़ेंगे क्यों नहीं। नहीं, बचपन में माँ बाप ने पढ़ा पाया, गरीबी थी, तो अब पढ़ लेंगे थोड़ा बहुत।
Global Dream is the quickest way to make a person literate. Beyond breakthrough study materials and methods, Global Dream is a movement for a literate India. Children are a major untapped resource. They have both time and passion. They too learn valuable life skills by participating in Global Dream Each One Teach One campaign.
So it was a very nice experience. We have a special bond, and like when you look at him, you can say that, yeah, I taught this boy. So you get that very nice feeling from inside.
Actually, I had in total taught 9 of them, along with the help of my cousin and her friend.
जब से मैं बिटिया पढ़ा रही है, तब से ये लगता है कि थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना चाहिए सर।
हर इंसान को मैं ऐसा समझता हूँ कि इससे जुड़ना चाहिए। मेरा तो ये मानना है कि लोगों को इसको एक चेन रिएक्शन की तरह लेना चाहिए और इसको आगे प्रोपोगेट करना चाहिए।
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये पता चला जब मुझे कि भाई मेरी बेटी को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि वो किसी को पढ़ा सकती है, और बड़ी पेशेंस के संग और बड़े एग्जाम्पल्स और बोर्ड पे लिख के और बिल्कुल टीचर की तरह उसने उसे पढ़ाया। मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि प्रगति इतने अच्छे से ये चीज़ कैरी कर लेगी।
Learners of the school can go to them and can teach them or can make them educated. The mission is that all the people, illiterate, uneducated, or who are unprivileged, cannot come to the school. The school should go to them.
Mobilizing community. Community-based volunteers can play an important role. This hypothesis was tested in the Koroni village. 26 ladies trained by Global Dream taught the entire village. In 2 slums, Dream Labs drew the community together for learners of all ages. All volunteers are working free of cost. Fact: First 13 women from a slum took their first exam in March 2015 after just 2 months of teaching.
पहले हमें कुछ आता नहीं था, से स्कूल खुला, पढ़ने लगे और हम बहुत खुश भी हैं कि हम किसी स्कूल में आए एग्ज़ाम देने।
हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि हम पढ़ लिख के और यहाँ पेपर देने आएंगे, और आज आए तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत खुशी है।
180 ladies of Koroni summer. Data showed more illiteracy than we had anticipated. Many illiterates had an eyesight problem. Global Dream sought help from the Essilor Foundation and Lawrence and Mayo. Mobilizing populations. Global Dream recognizes widespread literacy will take place only when literacy becomes a people's movement through literacy marches, use of media, free app, film media, full feature films scripted by Bollywood scriptwriter Dileep Shukla. Modalities include toolkits for the individual volunteer, cool kits for home-based labs in cities and villages, dream labs for slums and villages. 13 language versions ensure many more people can learn using Global Dream. Meet some of the learners. A marked difference was observed before and after in level of confidence, courage, and empowerment of the new literate.